Welcome back to Design Guy. I'll show you how to easily add Shopify buttons to your Canva site and socials. Click Create, then select Websites. Use this website for the tutorial, and proceed to the next step. Search templates for a shopping website, then select the desired template. Select the template and click Apply. Then, in Shop Now, press Ctrl-K to continue. Select the element, then click Group. Choose the option to add a link. Paste the Shopify URL you copied into the field, then click Done to apply the link to the element. Now, link your Shopify URL to this button so clicking it directs users there. Close this tab, click Preview, and test the button by selecting Shop Now. This will take you directly to your new Shopify page, confirming the link works correctly. To add a Shopify link to your Canva buttons, click the button, enter the URL, then use Share or Download. Increase the size for better quality, and you can also save your design as a PDF standard before downloading. Now you know how to add Shopify's Buy Now and Add to Cart buttons to Canva sites and subscribe for more easy tutorials.